Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. Welcome back to Build a Page. This is kit building video number 2. So this is going to be all the summer themed sketches from Scrap a Sketch. And there's 3 of them to get building with. I grabbed some photos and we'll see what I can come up with. So for the first one, it is this gorgeous idea of having a very large embellishment or cut file or something here with your photo and then a little embellishing. So I'm kind of going 2 different ways here and we'll see what I end up choosing. My first idea is to fussy cut out like a sun or something out of this and have that be on the side and then document. I've got some pool photos. I've got the heat wave we had last year. I have the kids playing summer soccer. So I've got a couple options to go ahead and make it work, but that's my first kind of idea for that sketch. My second one is I found this pattern paper stack that I'm so sorry, I'm not exactly sure who it's from, but as I was flipping, I saw, let me find it here. Dun, dun, dun. Where is it hiding on me? There it is. This gigantic floral. It's huge. And I feel like I could fussy cut that out and put, you know, a photo there and build it up that way. Here we are. Like that. And then build it kind of that way. I've got 2 photos here, kind of like this. Or like this, however you want those to be. So yeah, I mean, got a couple options. I'm not really sure which way. I kind of like this. So maybe we'll go that way and do the sun on something else. That's possible. Which means I just need to know that I'm going to fussy cut that out. Let's get this yellow paper out of the way. And I don't have embellishments for this collection, so I'll have to go into my stash. But we'll grab this paper knowing that we're going to fussy cut that out. And I'm thinking those photos are going to be the best option. I don't have a ton. I was noticing I don't actually have a ton of summer photos. So that was making it a little bit more challenging. I do have these. Except it doesn't match the vibe of those. Okay, let's just go with these. I can always change my photo if I need to. So we want that green. I don't know if we want that green. I do kind of like the black, so let's pull this black one out. Don't need the wood green. That's fun and summery. Let's pull this out. Oh, look, I've got that right here. Let's pull this out. Okay. Let's see what else we've got going on in here. No white. No. New. I'm not hating the green, but I'm not sure how we would use that. So we won't do that one. That's kind of like that. Don't need a butterfly. Black is too dark. Maybe for fussy cutting out, possibly we'll grab this one because then we'll have a few more embellishments that we can use besides what we're going to grab in. And I think because we have that, we can call that good. So that's going to be the paper. Let me see if I can find some summer embellishments to go with this idea. I'm liking it. And even when you're building kits and maybe you don't have the right photos, like I'm still not convinced these are the best photos. Sorry, we got some long weekend vibes going on in my house. You know, kids. So what I was going to say is even if you don't have the right photos, because I'm not convinced that this is actually the correct photos for the idea I'm forming in my head, you can create your page kit and even the layout and just have the spot for the photo. And when the photo happens, you can then use it. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I know a lot of lovely creative people that make I think they're called base pages, where they pretty much have the layout done, and then all they have to do is add their photos in when they find them or have them or whatnot. So keep that in mind. Okay, I found a very bent doily, but a doily I thought maybe for a bit of interest. I found this little chipboard that is quite old, but it says, "This is a great summer to remember." We had a lovely summer last year, so I felt like that worked. And then I pulled in these clear stickers from Coco Vanilla. I don't think those ones are right. However, there's that bright flower that I thought maybe I could add, but this has the right pop of color and the butterfly. So that's what I have. It's not very much. I'm obviously going to have to add in more as I get to building the page itself, but it's a good start, and we're going to call that one done. And let's move on to sketch number 2 for the summer series. Okay, so sketch 2 is a very pretty sketch, but I'm stumped on how to use it. But I really do like the idea of like the blocks and all of that. So what I did is I found some paper. I think this is a birthday themed collection, and this photo. Now, I kind of put this together already in a video I did last summer, but I thought I could bring in some cut files to kind of make and play off of the idea. So my first option here is this large cut file, and then I could just rotate it around or whatever and find a way to put, this is upside down, I think, this cut file, but you can go like this and then and play off of the idea that the sketch brings. So I'm going to include this, but if this doesn't work while I'm going to create it, I also have this, which is just some sprigs of leaves and stuff. So I can just quickly spray these green or whatever and make that work with this idea. Now, I'm gonna be honest, this is not actually a summer photo. This is Bear's a baby. I want to say this is probably more springish, very early spring, because he didn't get to stay like that for very long. But I do think that with the colors that I'm picking, it gives off a summer vibe. So I'm cheating, but I'm going with it. I think I'll be forgiven. So that is what the base of this one is going to be like. And at this time, I was looking through my summer stuff. I don't have a ton, but my next layout that I want to put together with the sketch, I'm going to use a collection. And so I figure what I'll do is I will grab from that collection to embellish this particular page kit. So this one is a really, really fast one and a really easy one, because basically it was kind of put together for me. I just wanted to show you what it looked like. And of course, the sketch. So we're going to move on to the last one, and we'll pick the photos and which summer collection I'm going to use and wrap this video. Banners and then the photos going across. I see this one coming together very easily, thankfully. So I gave myself 2 options. I have swimming photos of the kids playing in the pool from the backyard, and then I have the kids from soccer this past summer that I felt could work as well. Either way, I'm going to use the Coco Vanilla Sunkissed collection, and I think now you'll see what I was talking about of how I'm going to be able to tie this into the 2 other pages that I've created, because it's got that bright bold colors to them as well. So I'm going to, when I make the strips, I'm going to be using the actual these 6x8 papers. That way I get the best bang for my buck there. I really like this one, so I'll use that one. Maybe the rainbows and wood grain's kind of predictable. Oh, look, there's a little strip right there. I don't know if that's thick enough or the right color. Maybe that's pink. That's a lot of pink. I need to sneeze, so sorry. Excuse me. So I could do the pink, which brings it, you know, more Nora style. That's too much white. I'll have to play, but these two for sure. And then I'll just dig into the embellishments as we create the layout itself. And hopefully I can find a base. Oh look, what about this? I might use this. That may work. I'll either use a background from here if I see one to use, or I'll just grab a piece of white cardstock. We'll see. But I've got these options. This is what I have going on. This one, I'm kind of cheating, right? Because I'm not actually building a kit, but I've got the whole collection that I'm going to play with, and that's going to be my quote-unquote kit for this one because it's going to be tying in with all the rest of them. All right, so that is going to be my summer ones, and starting tomorrow you'll start to see the layouts for the next 6 days, and then fall and winter, which are coming out. Well, fall has come out already as I'm filming this, like it's for the weekend that this comes out, and then winter is the following weekend. So I'm going to wait for both of those to come out, and I'm either going to do it as my build a page for next month, or I will just do a separate series. So saying it out loud, I think I might save it and do it for next month, so you know what next month is going to be about. But that's where I'm at. So thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you head on over and check out Moira and Kristen and Shannon. And I will see you guys tomorrow with my first video. Bye, everyone.